Hey Anna, do you remember the day you finally spoke English fluently?
Of course, Mark. It was one of the most important moments of my life.
Let's talk about it today, slowly, so everyone watching can understand and learn.
Yes, let's begin.
Anna, did you always speak English well?
Not at all. I used to make many mistakes. I was afraid to speak. I felt shy. I thought people would laugh.
Same here. I knew grammar, but my mouth didn't move.
Exactly. I could understand words, but I couldn't say them.
So what changed for you?
One day, I met a tourist in my city. He asked me, "Excuse me, where is the train station?"
And what did you say?
At first, nothing. I froze. But then I took a small breath and said, slowly, "Go straight and then turn right."
Wow, how did it feel?
Like magic. For the first time, English came out naturally.
Yes, that small moment feels big, right?
Very big. It gave me confidence.
Did you talk more with the tourist?
Yes, he said, "Your English is very clear. Thank you." Those words changed everything for me.
Sometimes one good sentence, one small success, makes us believe in ourselves again.
Exactly. That was the day I realized I can speak English.
So, what helped you become truly fluent?
Three things. One, I started speaking slowly. Two, I stopped worrying about mistakes. Three, I practiced a little every day.
Same here. Speaking slowly is powerful.
Because when you speak slowly, you think clearly, and your English becomes better.
People think fluency means fast talking, but real fluency means clear talking.
To everyone watching, your fluency day will come too.
Maybe today, maybe tomorrow, maybe next month.
But it will come if you don't stop.
Speak slowly, speak clearly, and don't be afraid.
Thank you for listening to our slow English conversation.
And remember, your English is already better than you think. See you in the next video.